me here on Lulu Live. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on my first Allure Beauty Box, which is what I have here in my hands. I cut it so I can open it easier for you. That's why it's like this, but I really didn't look inside of it yet. Even though I think they tell you ahead of time what you're getting, but I honestly don't remember because I want to be surprised. So I got this box for the first time today, and I've been waiting and waiting and waiting because I paid and subscribed in January. I don't know if this is January or February, but all I know is that I should have gotten the January box in January and the February one in February, and I don't know. I'm a little confused about that. But anyway, let's just go into this box. So this is it. The other side has my address. It's very plain. This is it, the Allure Beauty Box. I'm opening this up, and on inside it has this light pink. I don't know if you can see because the light's like shiny at me. What's it supposed to do? It's like a light pale pink, and it says hashtag Allure Beauty Box. Very simple. And it came with this booklet for Allure Beauty Box exclusive promo codes inside. Oh, that's really cool. So let me see. I should put this down, but I'm like really excited to look through this. So this is the menu, if you will, of what's inside this box. Very similar to BoxyCharm and like other beauty subscriptions that you can get, like this, you know, the ones like the subscription boxes and things like this one. It's very nice. And considering it was what, $10–15, I'm impressed with the quality of this booklet. And on the back it has a referral. Refer a friend and get more beauty loops. Allure.com/friends. So it tells you what you have in here. So let me just put this down. My hands are full. It's a message from the beauty director, deputy beauty director inside here on this side. And each item that's inside your bag. There's an item from Mally. I never tried Mally before, but I've seen her around. Shadow Stick Extra in Burnished Bronze, which was valued at $25. Then you get another product from We Scalp and Body Scrub. That sounds interesting, especially because like I have psoriasis. I know it's embarrassing, but like I have psoriasis and my scalp gets very dry. I have sensitive skin and everything on top of that. It's not fun, let me tell you. But those of you who can relate, you know what I mean. This is for hair and skin, so that's great. It's valued at $38, and then you get something from Sunday Riley. I never tried that before. It's the CEO Glow Face Oil, and it was valued at $80. Are you kidding me? So you get full sizes, and then you get like travel sizes, but from what it looks like, it's still like... So I'm confused. Do you get the full size? I thought it was like travel. I think it is full. Oh my god, is this really full sizes? I didn't realize. Because it's like $10–15. How the hell do you get it? I don't know. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm so excited. There's things in here that I like love. So far, it seems like a lot of stuff. And to be honest, just, you know, a little side note here, I broke up with Ipsy. And when I broke up with Ipsy, I decided, when I broke up the second time, was the past time, I decided not to get any more. And that's when I decided, you know what, this Allure Beauty Box sounds so much better. Their products are different from ones that I usually use. Some of them I've used, but some of them I haven't used. Some of them I've been in Ipsy, and some of them I just, you know, Boxy, wherever, a lot of things I haven't tried yet. But it seems like a pretty good selection of stuff. So there's Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil. Did you get both of these? Oh my god. Then you get this Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, which was valued at $85, or which is valued at $85. Oh my god. And then on top of that, you get, and this thing, this brand, I wasn't crazy about the first time I tried one of their products from Ducci, I don't know. douche? I don't know. How do you pronounce it? Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winter Berry. And this was valued at $22. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce it. I really didn't like it. I tried their mascara once in some bag. Something, somewhere, I don't remember where. And it was disgusting. But it was too clumpy, but that's not about mascara. This is about this lip product. Then you get a Mika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, which was valued, or is valued at $28. I've been using Mika lately, but I also got a sample of something of We on my Sephora goodie bag that I got the other day, and that I'm in love with, but that's not in this box. They gave me this nail polish instead from a brand called NCLA Call My Agent. NCLA Los Angeles Call My Agent. It's pretty. So this is the nail polish. I don't know if I'm gonna use it yet, but it's really pretty. I would definitely use it, and it matches my sweater that I'm wearing right now. Love. So I'm excited about this at least. I probably did pick this out because I was like, I don't want to be under, but who knows? Call My Agent. You open this pouch up. It's like a makeup bag pouch, whatever you want to call it. I'll try the lip because my lips are dry right now. Are there two lips? No, this is for your eyes. I'm gonna try this lip thing from Douche. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's probably wrong. I always say it really wrong. 405 Winter Berry is the shade. And let's see if I can get it over like this. Yeah, I did. You just twist it. And it says here it's waterproof, transfer proof. I think I did pick this out. High color payoff because they give you the option to pick things out, I guess. Almost everything or some things. And I picked it because it sounded interesting, and out of all the choices that they give you, I think it was like the better one. It doesn't really smell like anything, but make it closer. This is what it looks like. See, do you know what it's called? Does anyone know how to pronounce this? Douche. Deuce? Deucey? I don't know. It doesn't taste like anything. Does it look good? I know I'm looking so awkward because I don't have a mirror. I'm looking at my viewfinder. Oh. Which reminds me, I forgot to close my thing the other day. Here. On my camera. And then let me do a swatch on my hand for you. It actually looks really pretty. So that's what that looks like. So it's waterproof. How do you get it off? So that's the swatch. And we have a number of other items in here. Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. In shade Burnished Bronze. This is pretty. It's kind of hard to see for you to see. I can see it if it's right in front of me, but the lighting is kind of, you know, doesn't smell either. That's interesting. It's better not to smell. It's better that it doesn't smell than to smell bad. That's how I feel. I'm not going to put it on my eyes because I don't want to put something clean on my dirty face because I didn't clean my face since I got home just, you know, a little while ago. But ooh, this is really gel, like creamy. It's pretty. This would look good with this. Maybe that's why they picked it. It's very creamy. I feel like I'm going to break it very easily because it's just so... Because of that reason, like, I would break it very easily. But, see, this is the eyeshadow stick and this is the lip. They look pretty good together. And doesn't it look like it glided on very, very well. And they're both pigmented. The lip's kind of streaky. But this is very nice. Next in the bag we have the We. This is We, right? We. I don't know. I think it is We. Scalp and body scrub, and it's for your hair or your body, hence the name. And it has coconut oil in it, probiotic, wow, sugar crystals. Can't really smell it. It's nice. That smells really pretty. Looks good. Sounds good. We have Mika and 2 from Sunday Riley. The A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum from Sunday Riley. I'm reading it off the bottle. I don't know anything about it. It's their Advanced Strength Retinoid. What's retinoid mean? Sounds weird. Serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. It says to apply at night to clean skin, so I should probably use this later on before I go to bed. After I wash my face and everything. Let's see what it feels like. I'll open it. Doesn't really smell like much, but here, let me show this to you. So this is this. Their A+ Sunday Riley. Sunday. Get out of my way. That looks better. And this green stuff here. It's kind of green. That's the Sunday Riley serum. This one. The A+. Yeah, it smells nice. It's like a light smell. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it feels really good. I put it like right over here, and I need something because my hands are so dry right now. It's actually making it feel better. Then I have another Sunday Riley product. I have never used her before, and already I get 2 of her products. I'm so excited. This one sounds delicious. It's the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil with advanced vitamin C, THD, ascorbate, turmeric, and evening primrose oil to brighten, hydrate, and glow. So I'm guessing this is the daytime one. It doesn't say, but I'm assuming that's what it is. I don't know. So this is that one. Oh, it smells interesting. Kind of smells like tea. It's something else I've used before. Something my grandma had. Whoa. This one's a lot stronger in scent. I'm just gonna like put it like that because it's already coming out. So it comes out like this, and I just put some on my hand. I'm getting the other side that I didn't do yet. It's very oily, but there's a lot of oils in it, so that's why. It's different. I don't know if I like it. It's very wet. It's an oil versus a cream. And it's cleaning off my lipstick. That's funny. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to wait and see what it feels like. But that's the side where I put the oil. And lastly is Amika. It is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Oh, it's for your hair. That's why I ordered it. Okay. Requested it. Gratify your hair with rich, high potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. You leave it in for 5 to 7 minutes. Oh, it's sealed. So I can't even like. I have to open it. I can't open it. like there's foil on top and I just can't get it off. Oh, I got it. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Between that and the other one, alright, that I just put on. So, I know this is extreme close up. Say hi to Amika. This is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and it's a hair mask, not a face mask. In case you're wondering, because at first I forgot, and I was like, oh wait, it's for your hair. And I'm not doing it right now because you have to wash it out. I'm not sure what it smells like, but it smells good. And you just take some, you put it in your hair while you're washing it. You leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes. I really needed a new one, so I was like, that's why I picked this out, because I need one. I need something, because my hair is so dry from like dyeing it and stuff, and it's just dry. So, that is my Allure Beauty Box. So this is the Allure Beauty Box. I hope you all enjoyed my video. And if you like it, please like it. If you don't like it, you're free to dislike it too. That's what that thing is there for. And the thumb down, you can thumb it up or down. I like the ups. For the ups. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not. Also follow me everywhere that I left available to you. I have many social medias on, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Feel free to follow me. And hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time I post something. It'll alert you every time I post something new. Please leave comments, questions. If you know how to pronounce that word, let me know. And thank you again for watching. We'll see you very soon. Bye.